What's up YouTube, it's your boy Pedro here once more, and I'm here to talk about a very specific lens. And I've used this lens, like, it not really come off of my camera really, but I've used this lens in so much occasions. And yo, if you have the money and can buy one, buy it. So my everyday lens of choice when I come off from a camera really, like I used to use it for my TikTok videos, wedding pictures, videos, like it just not come off from camera. Yo, I've shot an entire wedding with this lens. This is the Sigma Art 35 f1.4 for Sony E-mount system. But you have so much different 35s out there for the full frame sensors, and this is for full frame sensors. And trust me, you see the 35, just good. It doesn't matter if the 35, if it's the 35 2.8, the 35 f2, but the focal length is so perfect for me. Like, no matter if I didn't want tight spot, like almost tight spot, it worked out good for me. And the image quality from this Sigma Art lens is pretty sharp, pretty good. Like, at first I used to just use the 85 for portraits only, like yo, I was drawing the 85, but the 35 works perfect for me. Like yo, the image quality, and because Manafa, yo, you're good, turn here, yo, turn. I don't have to do that, like just turn, yeah, because it's not that far. I'm not that far from the subject or from the person or from a vehicle or from anything that I'm shooting. I always recommend anybody for you, just get a 35. Just get a 35. But the thing is, the 35 for a crop sensor is like a 55, if I stand correct. Let me do a check. Whoa. Alright. So even right now I'm shooting on my Blackmagic Cinema Pocket 4K, such a long name, I hate calling it. I'm using the Mckinnon Cine 35 T 1.5 right now, and I love the focal length. But the only downfall right now for me shooting on the 35 on a Blackmagic is just that the Blackmagic sensor is micro four thirds. But I'm using the Metabone speed booster adapter so I can get like a full frame look. You get me? So for me, the 35 will forever be that lens that doesn't come off of my camera. But I might be switching to another lens soon, but I'm not sure, because I was looking into the 21.8 G master lens. There's a G lens, the new Sony lens and will come out with the G badge. So I'm looking into that type of lens because it's wide, you know, it's very wide. It's very wide for vlogging, and that's the type of lens that I think I might go into. But since I don't have it right now, I'll be using the 35 f1.4 for my everyday use as usual. And normally when I'm using the 35 f1.4, well, the one that I have is not too big, it's not too small, it's not front heavy for the camera, but it's slightly a bit weighty. The one that I have is slightly a bit weighty, but it's okay. I can work with it. We have smaller 35 that you can work with for the Sony E-mount or any other system that you use. So that's it guys, you can go ahead and enjoy the rest of your day or night wherever in the world you are. I'm just going to show you some sample images using the 35 f1.4. Sample images, sample videos, yeah. So as I said, if you have the money, you can buy a 35 for any mount that you have, get it. Any focal length that is equal to the 35 for the type of sensor that you have, get it. I will see you again in another one. Peace. Done.